I tell you, there's certain things that he demands, but I wouldn't say that he is demanding. He's really a very nice, very generous person.
And I just want to know about his little foibles. I mean, how many hours does he sleep a night?
Oh, usually maybe 3, 4, something like that.
How can he function on 3-4 hours of sleep a night?
No, he does. He has for years. It's pretty much a routine. I mean, usually breakfast he'll take out on the patio, and lunch he likes pretty much to have it in his room. And it's like a well-done cheeseburger and maybe some French fries. Don't forget the ketchup, and that's pretty much it. Dinner time, he usually eats with his wife Melania out on the patio with the members, and then we'll walk to the dining room and go from table to table and recognize everybody and make a big deal out of the member and his guests. He's very, very cordial. He's like a big maitre d'.